Hey there! In this video, we'll show you how to create a multi-page form on WhatsForm. Long forms can feel overwhelming for customers and might lower your chances of getting complete responses. By splitting them into multiple pages, you can make the process easier and more engaging. That's exactly what we're going to do today. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsForm dashboard and select the form you want to work on. For this example, we'll use a survey form for Glow Up Cosmetics. Now take a look at this form. It's quite long, right? Long forms can feel like too much work and might prevent customers from filling them out. But when you break them into pages, it feels more manageable, which helps improve your completion rates. So, here's how you can do it. On the Build page, click on Advanced. You'll see a question type called Page. All you need to do is drag and drop it wherever you want to create a break in your form. As soon as you do, your form will automatically split into two pages, labeled Page 1 and Page 2. Now, let's adjust the settings for Page 1. First, give your page a name. This is just for your reference, so it won't be visible to customers. Let's call it Basic Information. Next, let's scroll down to set up Page 2 and name this page Customer Experience. Now let's add one more page to make this a three-step form. Drag and drop the page question type again. Place it where you want. And let's name this section Product Feedback. Once everything's ready, click on Publish and preview your form to see how it works. As you can see, this is the first page. When you scroll down, you will see the next button. Clicking on it takes you to the second page. On the second page, you will see two buttons, back button to page 1 and next button to page 3. Finally, on the third page, you'll find the back button and the submit button to complete the form. We can also customize the labels for the next and back buttons. To do this, let's go back to the dashboard, click on page 1 settings, and rename the next button to say Your Experience. Next, we'll scroll down to page 2 settings and change the next button label to Product Feedbacks. We'll leave the back button as it is. Now let's publish and preview the form to see how it looks. On page 1, you'll notice the next button now says Your Experience. On page 2, the next button is updated to Product Feedbacks. And that's it. You now have a clean, easy-to-navigate multi-page form ready for your customers. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.